Hey guys, behind me is a Japanese 7-Eleven, and from the outside it looks a lot like the ones that you'll find in America, and the inside, the layout is pretty similar, but the stuff they sell is completely different. You won't find any hot dogs or burritos in this 7-Eleven, but you'll find a lot of really good Japanese stuff. In this 7-Eleven, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see how much I can get in a Japanese 7-Eleven for the equivalent to $10 in America. 10 American dollars in Japan is about 1,000 yen. This is a 1,000 yen note in Japan. I'm gonna see how much I can get with it at this 7-Eleven. Now, I will say that normally for lunch when I come to convenience stores like this, like 7-Eleven or Lawson's, I get away with spending a lot less than 1,000 yen. I usually get like a nice bento and a drink, and it comes out to 400 or 500 yen. So this is gonna get me a lot of food, about double of what I normally get when I get like a lot. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of leftover, but let's see what $10 can get you at a Japanese 7-Eleven. So you can come to any local convenience store and find a lot of home goods here. Here's hair gels and deodorants, shampoos, conditioners, and they also have somewhat dirty magazines that you can buy, as well as the latest edition of any anime that you might be into. And this is really cool. At most convenience stores, they have an ATM machine which you can get pretty much pull out money from any bank, but this is a machine that you can come and get like government documents or any official paperwork you need. They have this thing like a social security card here in Japan that has an ICU chip. ICU? Is it ICU? Anyway, it's got the chip and you can put it in one of these machines and print out any official paperwork in any of these convenience stores that you come to here. So it's really convenient. So I am getting pretty thirsty here, and this is the Gatorade equivalent, very popular in Japan, Pocari Sweat. And you may have seen this in America. They sell it at Japanese stores. Obviously they have Coca-Cola and all kinds of other stuff. You know, people often wonder why Japan or Japanese people are so healthy, because most of the stuff here is not actually soda, sugary soda. Most of it is tea. Okay, so I'm gonna get Mitsuya cider, and I'm curious to try this tea, this Kyoto blend tea. This is actually one of my favorite manufacturers of tea. This is kind of their normal one, although it normally has a label. But I'll try the Kyoto blend. Let's see what it's like. So drinks are a little bit more. The Mitsuya cider was 140. The Kyoto blend tea, since it's new, it's on sale, it's 120. So that's 260. So let's keep going and see what we can get. They do have lots of beer here. Japanese people love to drink. It's actually not illegal to drink outside in public. You can like leave the bars and walk around the streets, and often you see drunk Japanese people stumbling around the streets at night. Editor Matt here. One more thing I wanted to say about drinking is that you can actually drink and drive. Well, wait, no, that's wrong. You can drink and someone else can drive, but your passenger can be drinking in the car. Like everyone in the car can be drinking open cans of beer, and as long as the driver is not drinking, you're good. These are some of the best things ever. They make some of the best sandwiches at convenience stores, surprisingly, and the egg salad sandwich is very well known. They also make all kinds of bentos here that are amazing. These are freshly made daily. You can see some of these just look absolutely incredible. Here's fried rice with fried chicken. This is 510 yen. This one is chicken katsu don. So that's fried chicken over rice. Bell pepper, that one looks pretty good. All of these look absolutely incredible. Very famous, just a gyudon. It's like beef over rice, flavored beef, very good. Here's the more of the Japanese type bentos. As you can see, they're pretty cleared out. Every convenience store has these fresh bentos that are made and brought in daily. Sometimes they clear out a lot. Family Mart and Lawson's, I've noticed, they run out of products a lot faster than 7-Eleven does. I don't know if that's because 7-Eleven is better at stocking, or maybe they're just more popular. I don't know what it is, but 7-Eleven's usually stocked. But these are very popular, and I'm actually gonna get like an onigiri. Onigiri is just like a rice ball with lots of flavor. This is a tuna mayonnaise, which is very, very good. I'm gonna get one and it's 115 yen, as you can see. Ooh, this looks actually really good. 325 yen is like sushi type rolls with some fried chicken, or you could just get the sushi rolls. Wow, okay. Maybe I'll get this instead of the tuna onigiri, but I'm gonna have a lot of extra, like I said. Ice creams are amazing in Japan, and this is frozen meals you could bring home, which I might actually take some. I'm not sure. Might get an ice cream. It's really hot here. So Japanese snacks are really good. I love these so much. This is a sakura. I think it's sakura flavored. I don't know what this kanji is, but I'm gonna try it. I like the pink. And this is sawa kurimu. Ah, sour cream. Okay, I get it. You know what? I'll also try some of 7-Eleven's branded chips here. Ooh, butter soy sauce? Cheese snack, spicy chili. You know what? This is kind of a big bag, but it's only 200 yen. I'm gonna go with this butter soy sauce. So this is about 1,000. This is about $10 here. I could probably get more for my money if I really look around, but I'm just grabbing a bunch of things that I want to try. This is just to give me an idea of what they sell and like how much you could actually get for this amount of money. I'll have to show you the chocolates available here in Japan. Dars is very popular, and Kimetsu no Yaiba is a very popular anime. I forgot what it's called in English. I just remembered it's Demon Slayer. There are things themed like this everywhere. This is like biscuits. You could actually buy Nintendo Switch games here. This is just the digital codes, so they don't have to stock the whole shelf with the game. So that is pretty neat. Pastries in Japan are amazing. Even the convenience store ones here are actually really good. But if you go to like a pastry place in Japan, I've had people that are from and lived in France and other parts of Europe and come to Japan and tell me that the pastries here in Japan are better than the ones that they have in France and Europe. And that's saying something, because they're supposed to be known for their pastries. At least that's what I know them for. Also, they have this amazing food here. Corn dogs you could find, kind of. Egg rolls, chicken, pork buns. Oh, and they have amazing coffee here too, by the way. Anyway, I'm leaving. All right, guys, final verdict. My math was a little off in my head. I actually spent less than 1,000 yen. You could see 981 yen was the total, and I actually paid 3 cents for a bag too. Japan has started charging for bags about a year now, so that's what you can get at a Japanese 7-Eleven for around $10. Now I'm gonna go home and try a lot of this stuff, and I'll let you know how it is. All right, guys, so here's the food. This is what we got. So we got 2 drinks. We got Mitsuya cider, which is, if you've ever had that ramune soda, the marble soda, it's very popular in America. This tastes just like it. And I just tried this for the first time. This is actually amazing. Oh yeah, it's a really smooth tasting tea. I really like that tea. Very good. I'm gonna have to give Kyoto props. We also got these chips and these chips because I wanted to try the butter soy sauce chips. And these I think are like maybe the plum? I'm not really sure what this is, but there's a plum that's very in season right now. And we got this. This is the main dish, the main food I'm gonna eat right now. And actually, I'm gonna get some chopsticks. So 1 second. Okay, let's open this up, try this baby out. So this was 325 yen. And actually, Japan does this, where they say this is the total price. This is with the tax, which I think is amazing. And I wish America would do that, so you know how much you're actually gonna pay, because they give you a price and then they charge tax, which they do here too, but they tell you the price with the tax. So it's 251 yen with tax. Itadakimasu. This is what we got. Oh man, look how good that looks. This looks amazing. Wow. Oh wow. So these I have a lot. I love these are amazing. I have these a lot. Little like sushi rolls. There's fake crab. What's in here? Crab, cucumber, mayo, Japanese mayo, rice, seaweed. Oishi! Oishi! This is amazing. Look at this. It's an egg. It's I don't know what you call this type of egg, but it's like the sponge. They like turn the egg into a sponge. Why is it so good? I'm not even a huge fan of eggs, and this is like amazing. Japanese, I gotta tell you something. Japanese eggs are like bright, no, not bright, dark yellow. They're dark yellow compared to American eggs. I've cracked a Japanese egg and an American egg side by side. It's crazy the difference. They taste so much better too. Okay, it's two different meats. Look at this one. This one's a little hamburger with like teriyaki sauce on it, and this one is a chicken, like a deep fried chicken. So let me try this hamburger first. Oh my God, how do they do this? This is insane. Oh my God, I'm amazed at how good this is. I mean, I eat this food all the time, but I'm really paying more attention to it since I'm doing a video of it. This is incredible. I'm so impressed. All right, let me drink some of this Kyoto blend. Guys, I love living here. Like, this is incredible. The food here, I don't know what it is, man. Like, I'm really paying attention to it now, and like, it is so delicious. You can't tell, but I'm not going to, but I do feel like crying. And I think it's just because it's so damn good, and this is just so cheap and accessible to me living in Japan. I'll be honest though, I've always preferred Asian food to like any other foods, and Japanese food has been really high up there on the Asian list. Well, I can't say that. I like all Asian food, but oh man, this is just so good to me. This is so good. I love this tea too. One thing I both appreciate about Japan and sort of upset by a lot of times too is this Kyoto blend tea. I'm excited that they came out with a different tea. And Japan is, when you come here to Japan and you see all the foods and just anything in general, they do a lot of seasonal things and special edition things, which is cool because it's often a lot of fun to like try all these new things. But the thing that disappoints me is more often than not, 95% of the time, 99% of the time, these things don't stick around. And although I love this Kyoto blend tea, I have a feeling that in a month or two, I'm not gonna be able to find this thing and I'm gonna be really disappointed. But there might be some other seasonal drink that I really love. There's been a lot of things like that in Japan. I love that they try new things. I love that they have new flavors all the time. Seasonal things, special editions, it's very cool. But when you like something that is seasonal or special edition, get ready for some disappointment a month or two down the road. All right, let's eat this fried chicken. Tastes like fried chicken. It's good fried chicken, but it's fried chicken. You know, it's good. It's really good. It's not hot though. I think that's what it's missing. But you can't heat up everything in here, you know what I mean? Like this would not be good hot, but that fried chicken and the hamburger, probably good. But they're good cold too. I still have 2 more sushi rolls left, but let's go ahead and try these things. I'm gonna open them up. And Calbee is a really, really popular brand in Japan. One of the most well-known. Sorry, all you're hearing is the bag here. So that's what it looks like. It just looks like a regular chip, actually. It tastes like a regular chip, except there's like a hint of like a liquid type sugar, like a sugary oil on it or something. I don't know, like maybe like a vanilla extract or something like that. It's not vanilla though. Really good. All right, I'll put those aside. I'm gonna try these. Butter soy sauce chips. Okay, let's open them up. Ooh, holy crap. Dude, wait, what do these smell like? These don't smell like anything. A small hint of regular potato chips, but this, I'm amazed. So this literally smells just like butter and soy sauce. And I'm not just saying like, yeah, it says that. It has a strong butter smell. It's like movie theater popcorn butter, but yeah, it has a soy sauce flavor. This is the chip, this is what it looks like. All right, stuck in my gum. Okay, so the smell is stronger than the taste, for sure. I'll try another one. It does taste a little buttery. I don't know if I taste the soy sauce as much. They are good. Again, overwhelming flavor of regular potato chip taste, but it smells really good. I'm really impressed with the smell. That last chip was really buttery. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you let me know if you like this type of video, because I'd love to do more. There's a lot of variations I could do of this type of video. And if you guys are interested in seeing some of the Japanese convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Lawson's, if you have any memories, if you have any suggestions of what I should try at those places, let me know in the comments. I love trying new things and I'd love to react to it. This Kyoto blend is amazing. I'm out. Keep your chin up, head high, and see you in the next video.